Hi friends, let's look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, all over India, 3,02,000 new corona cases were reported and total active cases as of yesterday were 22.79 lakhs. This is cause of concern to all of us. Yesterday, 24 corona patients died in a Nasik hospital due to leakage in oxygen supply system. Oxygen supply all over India is now increased for the benefit of corona patient, and maximum oxygen is diverted from industry to healthcare system. This may mean there may be reduction in production in some of the industries in coming days. It has been observed that maximum 2 to 4 persons are getting reinfected out of 10,000 persons vaccinated, and these people also do not show any serious symptoms. Hence, maximum population must get vaccinated as early as possible. Government has announced that from 1st May 2021, all the above of 18 years can get themselves vaccinated. We hope in coming months, most of the population of India will get vaccinated, hence the corona spread can be reduced. LIC has reported that during the year 2020-21, they have collected 1.84 lakhs crores of new premium in spite of corona pandemic. This shows more and more people are getting insured themselves to take care of their future. In order to meet more demand of solar power, Gautam Solar, which is one of the manufacturers of solar module in India, has increased their manufacturing capacity to 240 megawatts from 120 megawatt. Indian stock market may continue to show the volatility in view of current pandemic condition. However, long-term investor must stay invested because India's story is still intact and future of India is bright, and the growth in India is also very good in future. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.